So this toilet has two problems. If you hear right now, water's filling in the tank. And now you can hear a trickle. So commonly that is the flap. So anytime it's not making a good contact, water can get in there. So it could be one of two things. Flap, which is this, gets worn out, brittle, whatever, it's not making a good connection, or the chain may be stuck under the flap, allowing water to go in. So if you're constantly hearing the toilet come on, briefly fill back up with water, that's what you want to check. Just check that flap and listen for that trickling sound. The other thing is this toilet won't flush. Oh no!
Why won't it flush?
Okay, well, same issue. Maybe the chains come off. In this case, I've already looked at it. You gotta remove the top. Get this down here so you can see. Alright, got a little closer here. I'll be quiet for a second so you can hear the noise. Trickling, okay. Now this is a two-piece flap, and what's happened is it's actually come apart. If you see right here, that part has come completely off. So when I lift up, it stays attached. So you can see it's totally different color than this. It's like a lot lighter. That's because it's just worn. So of course, as soon as I pull that up, it's going to flush. So the easy thing here is to just replace. With the one I showed you, this is a Corky. There's several different types, but this is the one I happened to purchase. I think it was a 2-pack. So this is the second one in the pack. As you can see that there. So you will have to get wet. So the supply is on the left-hand side of the toilet in most cases. Turn it off, you're going to turn it to the right. It should stop running. There we go. Next, we're going to remove all this water from the tank, rather. Oh no, it won't go. So I gotta manually lift this up with my fingers. My kids don't want to do this. Like, you could just do this every time, but they don't want to. So pull that up. All the water's gonna drain out. So you can see how it's worn down over time. I don't know how old this is. So to remove, if you notice these two little notches here, you're just going to pull those off. Well, there it goes. So I just pulled straight up and it came off. Until it's not. Okay. Safely throw this one in the trash. So these two holes are going to slide right over to the top of these right here. Just like that. Like that. There it is. And the new chain will connect to the flusher guy thingy. Another technical term. There it is. You may have to adjust this. That's how it is out of the box. So I'm going to test it by pushing up. So it's limited, but I think that's good enough. Just want to make sure it's got a good seal on it, because it looks like it's pulling a little to the side. So I don't know if that's going to fall correct in place. But there's only one way to find out. That's to turn the water back on. Alright, again on the left side of the toilet. I'm going to turn this to the left. And you'll hear water start coming in. Listen for water trickles. Don't hear it. Not this time. So let's go ahead and flush it. Alright, it's too low. So we'll have to adjust this chain. Basically the top of this is going to hit the top of the tank. Shorten it. Just remove this. And you could just look at the old one and see how many leaks it had. So we'll just do a few. Come on now. Okay, let's try this one. There we go. There, that's much better.
Alright, that's all. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Give me some feedback on how I can improve these videos. This one was a little bit longer than it probably needed to be.
Thank you. Oh.